We have two artboards here in this page. As you can see, nothing with components, and also there is no styles, typography styles and color styles. The first thing is to go here, run the plugin style organizer, click scan this page, and you will see here we have colors and text. In that case, go to text. It shows us which typography used in the file, how many times it uses, and now we have all the typography that exists in the file. This step a little bit time consuming because we will need to make Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Also we can do it in that way: 16, regular, line height 24, for example. And now I will make a list of all the typography and continue from there. So we have all the text styles here, as you can see. I also add them the name that I want to call to each of them. I select all of them, run the plugin text style generator, and you will see that I have all the text styles here. Now what we can do, we can go here, eliminate for the name what we don't need, make it more clean. Also make a little bit clean a little bit here. Okay, now we have all the text styles here. I select one of them, search for similar plugin, run, and submit. And what I want to say to the plugin now, please select all the typography the same font size, font family, and font weight. I run the plugin, it will select all the layers, and what I will need to do here, click here and change the text style to the text style I wish, and everything will change. As you can see here, body 2, body 2. I will do to everything, and let's continue. Okay, now all the typography with styles, as you can see here: headline, body 2, button, body 1. The next step will be go to archive, copy the artboard without the text styles as a PNG, paste it here, go to this artboard, copy as a PNG, paste in this artboard, and I add here filter difference and put it above the other artboards. As you can see here we have a little bit difference in the typography, but very small. I don't think it's very important, but here we're missing an underline, and as you can see, we'll be able to see it now. In the old design we have here underline. The new one there is no underline, so in that case we will need to add here the underline to meet the old design. So that's all, and enjoy it.